Hey there, Heather Denaro coming to you from the world's most beautiful beaches, Panama City Beach. So today we're going to be talking about the pros and the cons of living in Panama City or Panama City Beach. So stay tuned. So along with this beautiful water, we have great opportunities for fishing. You can fish on the beach, you can fish on the pier, you can fish on the jetties, you can fish in the bay. You've got so many options. You can pick your poison or change it up, just whatever works for your style. We also have a lot of hunting here. I know hunting doesn't start until pretty much the fall, but what's great is we laugh because we call this Lower Alabama. There are hunting leases. So many people hunt. Not my thing. I'm a beach girl, but it is a pro for our area. Get in and talk about cons because nowhere's perfect, right? Pest control. We are in a tropic climate. Bugs like the warmth too. And so if you do your quarterly pest control, I've never had a problem. They don't get into my house and they just stay outside. Our local municipalities spray for mosquitoes on the exterior to help keep that population down, so that helps. So I hope you liked this video. There's so many great things about our area. If there's something you would like to know more about, a restaurant to see or highlight or anything, just put it in the comments below. Click subscribe, if I can spit it out, and hit the bell so you know when a new video comes out each week. I'm Heather Denaro, helping you find your best beach life. Bye for now.